So I'm here in Hua Hin, and so I'm going to be taking a look at a unit here at the Vehha, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, Seaview Residences, and they're just being built here. Anyway, but their showroom is actually going to be at the Holiday Inn, which is right next to it. And so I just kind of wanted to show this Holiday Inn because in Asia, the Holiday Inns are actually really, really nice. And in California, the Holiday Inns, well, they're okay, but they're not anything like here. So I just wanted to show you the outside of this Holiday Inn here. You can kind of get an idea. You know, yeah, they're just extremely nice. So this is the outside of the Holiday Inn here. And I'm going to go ahead and try to give you a tour of one of these units here at this new building that they are just building. Okay, so one bedroom, 28 square meters. Okay. Yes, wow, so this is quite a view here.
Yes, very nice view. And the room comes with furniture and built-in. Yes. Oh. And AC also including.
Okay, so these rooms come with all the furniture,
yes,
and everything. Fully
yes.
furnished.
Yes.
Okay, which is really nice.
Except electric appliances not included.
Electric appliances like the TV.
The TV.
Okay, okay. But the beds.
The bedding.
The bedding. Okay, which is great.
The mattress not including, sorry.
Oh, no mattress.
No mattress.
Okay.
Yes. And here, very nice, is the semi-balcony, which is can be opened.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Wow, what a view.
So for the actual building, it's actually the view better than this, because it's no wall.
Oh, okay.
Beside your room. Yes.
Oh, okay, so you'd have no wall. Oh, fantastic ocean view here.
You can see the actual building. It's very nice.
Yeah.
So you will get the sunrise and sunset in the back.
Okay, okay. Incredible view. And this view in the U.S. and California would be a small fortune. You know, so. Nice lighting.
Yeah, it's a living. It can be the living area. It's actually the semi-balcony. It can be the living area.
Oh, okay, okay. So this could be a balcony if somebody wanted it, yes, as the balcony instead of the living area. Yes. Okay, okay. So that makes sense. And this is like a king-size bed. It looks like, or queen-size.
This is queen-size bed.
Queen-size. Okay, so the room is pretty spacious, really. Yeah. So, and then you have a shower. That's nice with a glass enclosure.
Yes, and hot water. We have hot water system. You can buy the machine underneath.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Very nice bathroom. Okay. Now, what's the starting price on this unit?
For this room, now we have the special price is $3,590,000.
Okay, $3,590,000. So right at 100,000 US.
Yes, 100,000 US.
Oh, okay. All right. And one thing I wasn't sure about as I I was looking at the brochure. You actually can stay here full time in the unit. It's not, some of the places I've seen, you only have occupancy like for 3 weeks or 4 weeks, a month out of the year.
No, it's
kind
not
of
that
thing.
kind of the rental guarantee, but you also can rent out, or we can manage the rent for you. But you can stay whenever you want.
Is it, you can just live here if
Yes,
you
you can
have the
just live.
residency or whatever.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. And how, as far as the association fees?
It's the common fee. It's the 65 baht per square meters.
Okay, 65 baht per square meter.
Yes.
Okay.
For
Okay.
this, units is about 1,800 baht per month.
Okay, and that pays for the security guard,
Yes, gardens, swimming
gardens.
pool.
Pool.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah. Okay.
And this is the 2-bedroom.
Okay, so this is
The size start from 56 square meters.
okay. So this is the big boy, or yeah. Let's see here.
Actually, I have the medium size, 45 square meters.
Okay.
Yes. And this is the 56 square meters, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. And this is the second bedroom.
Okay, it's very nice.
This is the master bedroom with the bathroom inside.
Oh, okay. I like this.
Yes. And the big bathroom inside.
Okay. Oh, very elegant.
For the bathroom, you will get the same, what you see.
Okay. And then you have an outside tub here.
Bathtub, yes.
And it comes with that?
Yes.
Okay.
It's including.
Oh, this is really nice. Yeah. Yeah, so you have this outside tub. And then I guess again, this could be the balcony
Yes.
or open like you have it here.
Yes. It can be also dining.
Yeah. Otherwise, this would all be the balcony. Is that right? All the way across?
Yes.
Okay, so you have that option then.
Except only our corner room, that's the balcony are open.
Okay.
Yes, no slide.
No slider, right.
Yes.
No. Okay, that makes sense.
All the furniture included.
All the furniture is included except for the electronic TV and
Yes.
okay.
Refrigerator.
Yeah, this is nice. You have a little washer, sink area, a cooktop.
Yes, including.
Okay, it's all included. So with these units, you can pretty much just move in and start living without going out and purchasing everything to fill the unit. So it's very nice. Here's another bathroom here. Nice glass enclosure. So these are really nice. Now, when you say, excuse me, on the pricing, I know that some places have Thai pricing and foreigner pricing. Is the foreigner pricing, is it higher than the numbers that?
No, over here is the same.
It's the same?
Yes, it's the same price.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Well, that's good. Yeah, it makes it more attractive. Yeah.
So for this room, the size start from 56 square meters, and the price starts from 8 million.
8 million.
Thai baht.
Oh, okay. Okay. So that's about just somewhere over 200,000.
Yes, 200,000.
Okay. But it's a huge room, and it has an incredible view.
Yes,
So,
very nice view.
Yeah.
The best view in Hua Hin.
Yeah.
Yes, and we have the medium size. It's 45 square meters.
Okay.
Yes, it's a 1-bedroom plus.
Okay, so 45 square meters.
This room also very nice.
Okay.
Yes. This living area, and it's a press area. Yes, which can be the living, the dining,
Okay.
and the working area as well.
Right, right. Now, is there an extra cost to have this like closed in like this, or is it come that way as an option?
It is included.
It's included.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, great. Because that really adds some space to the unit, for sure. And then you also have that tub there, which is really nice.
Including, very nice. And on the right hand side, there will be the wood sliding door.
Oh, okay. Okay. I really like this unit because it's kind of in between on the size and the price.
It's actually this type is called the 1-bedroom plus. The size between 42 square meters to the 45 square meters.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and the price, now we have the special price on 10th floor is 4,990,000 baht.
Okay, 4,900,000. So I'm thinking that's about 125,000 US on the, okay.
Yes.
Roughly, yeah. I'm just going off the top of my head on that. Those numbers, yeah. Okay. Beautiful units.
Yes, very beautiful. It's only can be like for the family, not only for the couple. For this room, yes, it's very nice, and the size of the room is also nice for the family. Yes.
Right, right. Yeah, it feels roomy. Yeah, yeah. So it's good. I really like it, and the view's spectacular. Yeah.
Yes, I think in Hua Hin you can find this view, like very difficult to find this view. So this is like the best view.
Right, right. Yeah. No, it's great. All right. Well, so Bu, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll put your information in the description, and then if somebody's interested in seeing here, then they can contact you directly.
Yes.
And I think it's a spectacular place. Yeah. And I like it. So thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming today.
Yes, yeah, thank you.